Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Easy to Learn. Let me ask you a question. Do you sometimes stop and feel nervous when someone asks you something in English? Maybe you studied for many years. Maybe you know grammar rules. Maybe you can even write an essay. But when a real person asks a simple question like, "So, what do you do?" your mind goes blank. You freeze. Your heart beats fast. You want to speak, but no words come out. Instead, you stay quiet or only say one or two words. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Many learners around the world have the same problem. But here is the good news. There are solutions. In this lesson, I will show you why this happens and give you easy steps to help you speak with more confidence. One big reason we freeze is because we don't know how to start. The beginning of a conversation feels heavy. We think too much about grammar, and nothing comes out. The solution is to prepare what I call automatic openers. Automatic openers are short, friendly sentences you can use anytime. They are like keys that open the door to conversation. For example, "Hi, nice to meet you. How's your day going? So, have you been here before? I like your jacket. Where did you get it?" These sentences are simple, natural, and easy. If you practice them often, they will come out automatically, without stress. Write down 5 openers you like. Practice them every day. Say them in the mirror. Say them while walking. Say them in the shower. Soon, they will feel natural, and you won't freeze when meeting people. Another powerful tool is visualization. This means you imagine yourself speaking before it happens. Why does this work? Because your brain doesn't always know the difference between real life and imagination. When you imagine yourself speaking, your brain is already practicing. Example. Imagine you want to order in English at a cafe. Before you go, close your eyes and picture the place. Imagine the smell of coffee, the waiter, the menu, and practice in your mind. "Hi, could I have a coffee, please?" When you go to the real cafe, it won't feel new. You already practiced it in your mind. You can do this for many situations: job interviews, phone calls, or friendly chats. Some learners think they must practice English for 1 hour every day. That feels too big, and when they can't do it, they stop completely. But fluency does not come from long study once in a while. It comes from small, regular practice. So try this. Every day, speak out loud in English for a short time. Talk about what you ate, what you will do later, or how the weather feels. It doesn't matter what you say. What matters is that you speak a little every day. Little by little, your confidence will grow, and freezing will happen less often. This is one of the strongest methods. Many students learn English as single words: apple, table, quickly, idea. But when it's time to speak, it feels slow because words don't connect. Instead, learn chunks. A chunk is a group of words that usually go together. For example, "Do you mind if I..." At the end of the day, that reminds me of, "I'm not sure, but I think..." When you use chunks, you don't need to build sentences word by word. You just drop the chunk into conversation, like using ready-made Lego blocks. Practice like this. Choose one chunk. Say it 10 times. Then make 3 sentences with it. Do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I borrow your pen? Do you mind if I call you later? Now this chunk is yours. If you collect 50 to 100 chunks, you will always have something natural to say. You won't be stuck, and you won't freeze. Final words. My friends, these techniques are simple, but if you practice them, they will change your English completely. You will not freeze. You will speak, and you will connect with people. This is English easy to learn. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. And don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Love you guys. See you in the next video.